Oh, hi guys.
Hey guys, welcome back. I decided to voice over this part because I realized in editing that because of our masks you can't hear a word we're saying. But we are picking up some goodies. Woo! Not wine, sadly. It's no alcohol August, so we're just gonna pass by that real quick. But we are going into Midtown to hang out with Hannah and Sarah, so I gotta get some Red Bull to, you know, have any kind of energy whatsoever. One of my favorites now is the pear sugar-free Red Bull. It's pretty bomb, so we obviously have to stock up on that. But we're gonna have a great day doing some exercise in Midtown, walking around, living our lives. Do remember to wear your masks in stores because it's super important to be safe and care about yourself and others. Let's go ahead and get to driving into Midtown. We like to park at Hannah and Sarah's apartment because it's like really hard to find parking for Piedmont Park or just like to go and do anything. But yeah. Let's go ahead and get to driving into Midtown. What are we doing?
We're sitting. We're gonna go hike. We're gonna go hike. I have nothing to say.
Na 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 na. We're going to the market. Woo! Right now we're going to Hannah and Sarah's apartment, and then we're gonna walk to the market. That's pretty much all I have to say at this moment. So, I'm not the best when it comes to punctuality, especially like waking up early punctuality. So, Jose and I kind of didn't get there in time to go to the market. Oops. So we ended up just going to the art supply store instead. So come walk through the art supply store with us. It's lit. I literally wanted to buy everything, but I'm trying this whole new like self-control thing. So I didn't get anything, even though I really wanted one of those pens because wow, it wrote so smoothly. Hello, strangers. Do you mostly paint with acrylics or oils?
I paint with acrylic. Oils intimidate me. The required ventilation makes me really nervous.
Yeah, it's so much setup. That's cute.
That's all I need. But
We could just buy the whole store. This is all so fun.
just love alcohol.
Ooh, notebooks. I just always want to buy notebooks. They're very cute.
I don't write.
So much art stuff already that I don't use.
Do you want to get back into painting?
Yeah. I'm gonna have that giant ass canvas my mom got me for Christmas that's so intimidating. So it's like, what am I gonna put on it?
Ooh, no. You could paint Luca and Artemis.
It's actually a good idea.
Because I feel like you could do something really cute with them like intertwined in some way.
Oh, like a watercolor impression of them?
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Thank you.
You should just stand at the door and give people ideas. This actually does look like a really fun pen.
Oh my god. How do you use it?
Just like this. If we come back here a second time, I will buy the single pen. But I'm trying to exercise self-control, which is something that's new for me.
I'm sorry.
We made it.
You're all wet.
Little pod. She tried to jump up and fell. Come on, baby. How are you enjoying the park?
My mom. Lots of fun.
I was like, what are we doing?
What are we doing, guys?
Say hi to the family.
Say hi to the vlog. Hello, vlog.
We going so fucking fast!
You definitely have to speak up. Oh, well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our trip to the market, let us know in the comments down below.
Please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed our content. Share with your friends.
We live to serve you.
We serve to live.
Life imitates art. Thanks for coming to the market with us, guys. Oh, wait, we didn't even go to the market.
To the art supply store.
Scratch that. Thanks for coming along on our journey to the art supply store and our walk to Piedmont Park. I hope you got as much exercise as we did, because I burned like
1,000,000 calories.
520.
It's close.
Pacho. Paji's tired. Are you tired too, buddy? You wanted to hike, Rex. We did it.
You wanted to go outside? So we did. And what did you do? You go did it.
You had an opportunity to go, and what did you do?
You go did it. Oh, hi guys.